Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn Discord orbs faster. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you how you can earn the Discord orbs, I'm going to show you my orbs balance right now. I'm going to go to the quest and this is my Discord orbs. It's almost 6,000. And if you want to earn Discord orbs faster, guys, basically you just need to join the video quest. This is the easiest quest on Discord to earn orbs. And at this moment, there will be a lot of a video quest, and you just need to watch it. Just watch the video and you will earn orbs. For example, this one, the quest to watch Microsoft Edge, and this one as well for the Fallout game, and for the First Light in Amazon. And yeah, just watch the video and you will earn a lot of Discord orbs. And day by day, there will be new video quests that you can watch. So just keep updating the video quest on Discord, and you will earn a lot of Discord orbs, and you can buy something from the shop. You can buy, for example, this one, the orbs. I mean, the infinite swirl, and this one as well. And yeah, they are so cool. Okay, guys, and that's how you can earn Discord orbs faster. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.